The Supreme Court has reserved its verdict on the sentence to be imposed on the Advocate Prashant Bhushan in the contempt case filed against him for his tweets criticizing the judiciary. The order was reserved by a bench of Justices Arun, Mishra, B.R. Gavai and Krishna Murari, who heard the senior advocate Rajeev Dhavan and Attorney General for India KK Venugopal at length. Supreme Court bench headed by Justice Arun Mishra reserved a judgment in the 2020 contempt case against Prashant Bhushan over his tweets. Starting the day's proceedings, Attorney General KK Venugopal reiterated his appeal to the apex court to take a compassionate view and forgive Bhushan. However, the court said the lawyer has not apologized yet and has even made disparaging remarks in the affidavit filed in his defense. Venugopal had urged the top court last week as well as to spare Bhushan from any punitive action. The bench then sought views of senior advocate Rajeev Dhavan, counsel for Bhushan, on punishment to be awarded in the contempt case. Dhavan said judgment convicting Bhushan should be recalled, no sentence be imposed on him. Please do not make Prashant Bhushan a martyr. After Babri Masjid was demolished, there were crowds to welcome Kalyan Singh, so don't make him a martyr, he said. Arguing the case, Dr. Dhavan said, these offenders have contributed a lot to this court as amicus and in public causes. As the Attorney General pointed, Dhavan remarked, I remind Justice Arun Mishra that when he was a Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court, your lordships did not initiate contempt against the Chief Minister, Mamta Banerjee, for her comments that judges are corrupt. Observations on the August 20 order of the Supreme Court were submitted by Dhavan before the court, as he stated that the order giving time to Bhushan to apologize gave the impression that Bhushan was being coerced to give an apology and it was an exercise of coercion. Dhavan then went on to submit that the court was not immune from criticism and that it was the responsibility of all to make responsible criticism. In the present controversy, many persons like Justice Lokur, Khurain Joseph, Arun Shore, etc. have made comments in the public domain. Is that also contempt? He asked. The court then sought the views of Attorney General KK Venugopal on how to proceed with the matter. The AG responded, Bhushan may be given a warning first and let go. He need not be punished. Justice Mishra went on to say, when Mr. Bhushan does not think he did anything wrong, then what is the point of giving him advice to not repeat it? Then Venugopal said that Bhushan would not do it again. The court replied, let him say that, but he then instead of that, he gave colors to those tweets. Meanwhile, a new Supreme Court bench will hear the 2009 contempt case against Bhushan from next month as Justice Arun Mishra retires in the first week of September. The bench headed by Justice Mishra said that the matter will be listed before an appropriate bench on September 10th as they are short of time. Bureau Report.